Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a thread repair on a 5.4 spark plug repair kit from Calvin Triton insert installer. There's the part number. But today we're going to be doing see, this is the thread repair that you get from like AutoZone. And this is one of the kits that we had bought to put in this head. And typically you would be putting, these thread repairs with the head still in the car or in the truck. But the motor's out because he's wanting to rebuild it. And as you can see, it's going to be a heck of a lot easier to do compared to it being in the vehicle. But you can see like this one here, I don't know if you can see that, it's the one that stripped out. And we put one of these in there, and you can tell the difference in just like how much more meat is on the Calvin versus like the AutoZone, even this way. And today we're going to be fixing that. We'll probably actually fix all of them, but I'm going to fix this one on camera just to show you how easy it is. And the Calvin kit, this was like $7, I think it was, and they're junk. Because we actually put one of these in there, and he drove it for like, I'm going to say a week, and then it blew it right back out. So we're just going to go ahead and put a Calvin insert in there. And this is my first time doing this, so if I can do it, anybody can do it, to be honest with you. But yeah, so we put this thing is like the slide that keeps this thing straight, because you don't want to ream that hole out cockeyed or anything. But first I'm gonna make sure that's the right hole, which it is. It goes up to there, and you slide that down, and it keeps the tool straight. And like I said, this is a whole lot easier with the head out of the vehicle. So I'm going to try that. Let me find a inch. I don't know if it's a half inch or not, but yeah, it's already getting metal shavings out. And it's already been like bored out kinda, because the old thread repair kit had already made it a little bit more of a diameter anyway. See, this thing's already almost all the way down in there. Yeah, see, it's already out. And then just pull it out if I can get it out, and set that aside. You can just see like how much metal shavings would be in your motor, and that's just probably a little less of how much metal shavings would be in your motor, because like I say, it's already been bored out just a little. But yeah, And then it's a good clean hole. And then you just stick this back in there, and then it's got this tap. It's a pretty big tap. Now, typically, I think the thing said that you'd want to put this C-ring on it to keep this thing from falling down into your cylinder, but since the head's already out, it really don't matter. But if you're doing this on the vehicle, you'd want to use this. And then this just slides down, and obviously can't go in that way, so you'd have to do that and then slide it down there and then start tapping. And I don't know if I've got any oil, like cutting oil, so I'm just going to use some PB Blaster, because that's all I got. And stick that, go start tapping away. Wants to move around on me. Be easier if I had a longer wrench. Them chips away. From the camera, sorry. It's almost through. I'm gonna blow them chips away so it won't gall when I back it back out. Just can't hurt. Actually, I'm just gonna go a little further. Okay, now I'm gonna back it back out. what I've seen, this, you know, the Calvin kit is like a whole lot better than them junk ones. See it? It did good. Let me blow them out. All the chips out. We'll inspect it. Yeah. That's what it would look like in your motor. So that looks good. And then I ain't got the lock, like high temperature Loctite to put this in. So I've just got, you know, I've just got the red kind, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in just to show you. And you'd want to clean all that out, you know, get all that PV blaster out of there, make a good, something good for that Loctite to bond to. So and the spark plug, you'd put the spark plug in it. This one's been soaking, not that I am gonna reuse it, it was just in the bin whenever I took this head apart. And the way it says to install it is to just drive the spark plug onto it, so it will look like that. And you'd want to put your red high temperature Loctite or any kind of super high temperature stuff, and then run it up in there. And I'll go ahead and do it just to show you. And then there you go. That's how you install a thread repair kit, a Calvin one.